Hello friends, good morning to one and all. Now today we will discuss the next chapter of mathematics part second, function. Now see the definition of function. A relation f from a to b. A relation f from a to b is called as the function if every element of set A, of set A has unique image in a set B, has unique image in a set B is called as the function. A relation f from A to B is called as the function if every element of set A has the unique image in a set B is called as the function. Function is denoted by f from A to B. Then this A is called as the domain. A is called as domain and set B is called as the codomain. Okay. A function is denoted by f from A to B. In that A is called as the domain and B is called as the codomain. If consider the any order pair element x, y and both belongs to f, then we write y is equal to f of x. In that y is called as image. Y is called image of x. And x is called as the pre-image of y. Pre-image of y. This is the consider the any two elements x, y belongs to f, then we write function y is equal to f of x. In that y is called as the image of x. This y is called as the image of x and this x is called as the pre-image of y. Now the next one, the set collection of all f of x such that x belongs to A is called as the range. Is called range. Now let's see some example depends on this topic functions. Okay, to identify the given function is a function or not. Let's see some example. In that the first, suppose there are first example set A and set B, and set A containing suppose 4 elements A, B, C and D, and set B containing 4 elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose this is the relation first R1, and to identify this R1 is a function or not. Now see here, there are 4 elements in the set A, B, C and D, and the 4 elements in a set B. So suppose this A goes to 2, B goes to 1, C goes to 3 and D goes to 4. To identify the given example is a function or not. So what is the definition of function? A function f from A to B is called as the function if every element of set A has the unique image in a set B is called as the function. Now observe here, there are 4 elements A, B, C and D, and all having a different image in a set B. That means A goes to 2, so different image of A, B goes to 1, different image, C goes to 3 and D goes to 4. So this R1 is a function. R1 is a function. Now see the second example. Same, consider the any two sets A and B. Suppose A set containing 4 elements A, B, C and D, and say B containing suppose 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this A goes to 1, A goes to 2, B goes to 3, C goes to 4 and D goes to 5. Okay. To observe here, there are 4 elements in a set A, B, C and D, and there are 5 elements in a set B. So observe the first element of set A is the A, and this A has the 2 images in a B, set B. So this R2 is not a function. Why R2 is not function? Because every element of set A has the unique in the image B, but this A element has the 2 different images in a set B, because A goes to 1 and A goes to 2. So this is not a function. R2 is not a function. R2 is not a function. I hope all of you understand both the example, how to identify the given function is a function or not. So using the definition, f from A to B is called as the function. then every element of set A has a unique image in a set B is called as the function. Now see the third example. Suppose in the set A containing family member and set B containing also family member. Suppose set A containing first member is the granny one, second is the suppose father, third one is the suppose brother. There are three elements in the set A, and suppose set B containing also family member. Suppose granny 1, second member granny 2, mother and sister. Okay, suppose granny goes to granny 1 and granny 2. Granny 1 and granny 2. Father goes to mother and brother goes to sister. To identify the given is a function or not. So this R3 is not a function. Why R3 is not function? Because every element of set A has a unique image in a set B. But the element of set A, granny have two images in a set B. Granny 1 and granny 2. So this R3 is not a function. R3 is not a function. Okay, now see the next topic of this function, types of functions. Types of function. There are two types of function. First one is the 1 1 2 1 1 or 1 to 1 or injective function. The first types of functions. There are two types in that. First 1 1 or 1 to 1 or injective function. 1 1 or injective. This is the first function. Now see the definition of this. A function f from a to b is called as the function. A function f from a to b is called as the function if every different element of set A, if every different element of set A has different image, in set B. In set B is called 1 1 function or injective function. Is called 1 1 or injective function. Now the second type of function is the onto function. Onto function. The second type of function is called onto or surjective function. Surjective function. If codomain is equal to range, if codomain is equal to range to get a onto function. Now see some example depends on these types of function. Okay, to identify the given is the 1 1 or onto function. In that the first example, suppose set A and set B and set A containing the 4 elements. In that first A set containing suppose 4 elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, and set B containing also 4 elements A, B, C and D. To identify the given is the 1 1 or onto. Okay, so this function is supposed to identify this is the 1 1 or onto. Now see here there are 4 elements in set A and all are the different 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now same set B containing 4 elements A, B, C and D. So 1 goes to A, 2 goes to B, 3 goes to C and 4 goes to D. So what is the definition of 1 1 function? A function f from A to B is called as the 1 1 function if every different element of set A has a different image in a B is called as the 1 1 function. Now observe here 1 goes to A, so 1 has a different image. Second 2 goes to B, so 2 also different image. 3 goes to C, so C has also different image, and 4 goes to D. So these all are the different elements in set A and all having a different image in a set B. So this is the 1 1 function. Okay, F1 is the 1 1 function. 1 1 function. To identify this is the onto or not. So how to identify onto? If given codomain is equal to range. So suppose f from A to B is a function in that A is called as the domain, A is called as the domain and B is called as the codomain. B is called as the codomain and f of x is equal to collection of the all sets. collection of the set f of x and x belongs to A is called as the range. So observe the total set A, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 is the domain of this function. So total set A is called as the domain. Total set A is called as the domain. Then total set B, B set containing 4 elements A, B, C and D. These all are the codomain. So total set B is the codomain. And to identify its range, so observe the set B containing 4 elements A, B, C and D and all having a pre-images. All having a pre-images in a set A. So range of this function is also set whole set B. So range and codomain is the same. That's why this is the onto function. Why it is called as onto function? Because codomain and range of this function is the same. So f1 is a 1-1 function and also onto function because codomain is equal to range. Now see the second example. Now see the second example. Suppose set A and set B. Set A containing 4 elements A, B, C and D and set B containing 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So A goes to 1, B goes to 2, C goes to 3 and D goes to 4. To identify, this is a 1, 1. F2 is a 1, 1 or onto. Now using the definition of 1, 1 function, so every different element of set A has a different image in a B. So F2 is a 1, 1. F2 is a 1, 1. Why it is called as a 1, 1? Because every different element of set A has a different image in a set B. So it is a 1, 1 function. To identify the given function is the onto or not. So see here. So if the given function f from A to B, in that A is called as the domain and B is called as the codomain. So observe here, the total set A is called as the domain and total set B is called as the codomain, that is codomain containing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But to identify here, to find the range of this function, so 5 is the one of the element of set B. 5 is the one element of set B has not a pre-image in a set A. मतलब 5 एक ऐसा element set B का जिसको pre-image नहीं है set A में. So codomain is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means whole set is a codomain. Whole set is a codomain. But range, what is the range of this function? Range is equal to only 1, 2, 3 and 4. And codomain is equal to whole set of B. And set B containing 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So codomain is not equal to range. So this given function is not a onto. And F2 is a 1, 1 but not onto. I hope all of you understand how to identify the given example is a function or not, and also identify which is the 1, 1 or onto.